Welcome! If you want to enable or disable night mode in your Google Nest audio speaker, at the first, in Google Home application, select your device, tap on the settings icon. Next, go for the notifications and the digital well-being, and right now pick night mode. With this switcher, you can turn on or turn off this option. So when you enable, you can pick exact days, you can pick from to, and also you can set up the do not disturb mode, and in this place you are able to adjust the LED brightness at the night and maximum volume at the night. So for example, if you want to get the notifications turned on, you can change the volume level of them for this value, for example, at the night, and take a look on the LED brightness. That's how you can adjust them. So we can get, for example, like this or like this at the maximum setup. You can decide. So yeah, that's how you can enable, disable and customize night mode in your Google Nest audio speaker. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.